A very good morning to all of you. Welcome back to my Maths Online class. Today we will learn about multiplication of a whole number by a fraction. So in our previous class we learned about addition and subtraction of mixed numbers and also addition and subtraction of fractions, right? So watch this video attentively. All of you open your books, page number 59. So we are going to learn multiplication of a whole number by a fraction. So I am going to take an example for better understanding. Okay. See, we have to multiply 6 by 1 by 3. This is a whole number, this is a fraction. Okay. So here this is numerator, this is denominator, and here this is whole number. And you have to remember that as denominator of a whole number, 1 is always present. Okay, so is not it look like a fraction, right? So now see, here the whole number of 6, it is now as numerator, used as numerator, and 1 is used as denominator. So multiply denominator with denominator, 3 into 1. Okay, and numerator into numerator, 1 into 6. So the answer will be 6 by 3, and we know 6 is divisible by 3, right? So 3 2s are 6. So answer is 2. Understand? So that is how we can multiply fraction and whole number. Okay, always remember that below any whole number 1 is present as denominator. This is, you have to remember this line. Okay, now we are going to take other examples for better understanding. See, 2 by 3 into 4, this is a fraction, this is a whole number, and as I have already told you, below a whole number 1 is present as denominator. And now multiply denominator with denominator, 3 into 1, 3, 3 1s are 3, and 2 4s are 8. Okay, this is the answer. Very easy. This is another example. This is a fraction, 2 by 9 into 3. 3 is the whole number, as we have already known that here also 1 is present as denominator. And now multiply denominator with denominator and numerator with numerator. So see, now 9 1s are 9. Wait. Now see, here we have to see, we have to check whether any number we can reduce to smaller number or not. Here see, the biggest number among these is 9, and 9 is divisible by 3. We can cut 9 by using this 3. See, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Understand? And by this process we can reduce any bigger number to smaller number. Okay, now see what will left as in the upper side, 2 into 1, and below only 3 left. So 2 1s are 2, and as denominator 3 is present. This is the answer. Okay, so like this, practice other examples. See, this is another example. This is a mixed number, and mixed fraction we have to multiply with a whole number. First, make the mixed number into a improper fraction. See, the denominator will remain same, and I have taught you how to make improper fraction from a mixed number, right? So 9 into 1 plus 2. First multiply these two and with that product add the numerator. Okay, now this whole number will remain same, no change. Make this 9 ones are 9 plus 2 into 5. 9 plus 2 11 into 5. So now multiply this. Multiplication is very easy as compared to the subtraction and addition, because in case of subtraction and addition we have to find out the LCM first before we add or subtract the numbers. But in case of multiplication it is very easy, because it is only we have to multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator, right? Now see here, we know 1 is present as denominator. 9 ones are 9 and 11 fives are 55. Okay, now we can make this a mixed number, mixed fraction. See, I divided 55 by this 9 and the simpler form, the reduced form is this. Okay, so you can simplify improper fraction into a mixed fraction if you don't have any problem. Okay, so now I am going for the exercise. See this, number 1, find the product of the following. So I have discussed this type of multiplication problems, so I will do 2 examples for you. You have to do the others. Okay, very easy. Hope you understand the previous examples. I will send you photocopies of solutions from 1, 2 and 3. And now see this, fill in the blanks. 4 by 7 into 2, so the answer will be 8 by 7. Okay, now see, this is a confusing. See here, the answer is given that this fraction, what will multiply it by this and get this. See, the denominator is 5, so we know 5 ones are 5, the denominator will be 1, and numerator 3. What is the number that will multiply it by multiplied by 3 to get 12? That is 4. 3 4s are 12, so here you put only 4. Okay, because 1 cannot be put like this. Okay, so the answer is 4 here. And see this, same here, denominator is 9, same 1, and we know we have to multiply something to get 35, so we know 7 5s are 35, 5, so here you put only 5. Okay, now see here, also denominator is same, you can multiply these two. 9 2s are 18. Understand? So students, it's your today's class. Hope you all understand the topic I have taught you in this class. So do your homework and send to me. Okay, I will check it. And thank you. Have a nice day ahead.